Hi guys, welcome back with me again and this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add the trending video effects to your clips on the CapCut PC. So first, I'm going to show you how you can find the trending video effect. You can just go to the effects options at the top here, then click on the video effects, and on the second list in here, there will be trending. So these are lists of video effects that are currently trending now on the CapCut PC, but it might be different to your country because I think it might be uh depends on the number of views in your country. And in here, if you want to apply, you can just explore first which one that you want to use, and after that just click on the effect, the one that you want to use. For example, the HDR, I'm going to use the HDR here. Click on the arrow down first. After that, click on the plus icon to add it to your clip. Okay, so in here you can just make some adjustment based on your liking. In here you can adjust it as you like. Okay, so that's all from me. I hope this simple tutorial will be helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment, and also click on the thanks button below. Thank you.